Just wanted to do a quick video here. It's a short mail call and a little bit of a shout out to FMS and Fair RC. They just released the, well, it's been a while now, the FCX24 24 scale Power Wagon, and it's really been a huge hit, but they haven't avoided some pitfalls and a couple of snafus. But they've really been handling things well. I got my stuff through Fair RC, and they have sent what I need out. I broke the front drive shaft, so this, I contacted FMS, they contacted Fair RC, and Fair RC sent out a new drive shaft for me. No real questions asked, and they threw in metal portal gears. Now I'm looking at these and I think they're probably the wrong ones, which is a great segue into the next problem they had. They also threw in a couple of rear links as well. Another problem they had was the plastic portal gears were stripping out, the smaller one. And as soon as they found that out, they started to ship metal portal gears out to everyone. Unfortunately, they were sending them out with 12 tooth on the smaller gear when it should have been 14 as was stock. Now as soon as that started happening, they went through their orders and without even asking, and I think that's what this is, they sent out the correct gears. Without asking. They just sent them out to everyone who ordered gears. So that's pretty cool, I gotta say. You know, troubles like this with a new product could be the doom of the product, but if you're gonna handle things the way they did and address users' concerns right away and just send stuff out to repair the, or to make up for the mistakes you've made, I think that you'll stay in business for a while. I think that's pretty cool. That's my little mail call. Till next time.